Hello everyone. Welcome to Sampoorn Media Gyan. I am Dr. Shweta Gaur Sharma. In this video, we talk about difference between advertising and public relations. Advertising and public relations are the two important tools for promoting product and services offered by the company. So first of all, let's discuss the definition of both advertisement and public relations. According to the Encyclopedia Britannica, advertisement as a form of paid announcement intended to promote the sale of commodity or service, to advance an idea or to bring about some other effect desired by the advertiser. So this definition explains that advertising is communicating and influencing someone, and that to do something, usually to buy a product or service. On other side, Council of the Institute of Public Relations explain public relations practice is the deliberate, planned and sustained effort to establish and maintain mutual understanding between an organization and its public, which means public relation is building the image of the organization and maintaining good relations with the companies stakeholder by gaining publicity, having a good reputation and mutual understanding between internal and external public. Now let's talk about the objective of advertising: to sell the brand to the target consumer, to achieve repeat purchase, to achieve specified and targeted sales of the brand and profit of the company, to capture the market. So we can say the message in advertising is about the brand. It creates awareness about the brand, special benefits to the user and helps to create brand loyalty. Advertising message to any specific area is related to the existing and potential market for the brand. In PR, some objectives are to resolve difference through communication and facilitate negotiation between the management and the workers, to build the image of the organization, to create mutual understanding between the organization and public. So here the message in such a public relations situation is one that builds mutual confidence between the workers and the management, and must match the objectives defined at the media in which it is going to be projected, especially it is a tone of voice, word, facts and figures. In easy language, advertising is creating paid announcement to be promoted through different types of media including online, print, TV, out of home and radio. PR, on another hand, is a strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationship between organization and the public. PR is a great for building a connection with your audience and promoting your key message. Consumers are more likely to believe rather than an advertisement that has been paid for. Both advertising and PR help build brands and communicate with the target audience. The most basic difference between them is that advertising space is paid, while public relation results are earned through providing the media with information in the form of press release and pitches. For example, you have to buy online banner ad space, but you can pitch a story to a news outlet. There he is or she is connecting something with owned media, which is the content you create for your website, photos, videos you produce for social media also. Now let's go down to the difference between advertising and public relations. So the first difference is paid versus free. Advertisement, you can say, is a paid version, and in advertisement is to be placed in media through the payment only. But in PR, your PR agency or PRO of the organization needs to develop the strategy for you can gain publicity in media. PR professionals develop a range of tactics to positive media attention for your brand, which is very effective at increasing your target audience and brand awareness by free of cost. So the second one is creative or message control versus no control. When you buy an advertisement, you decide how the advertisement will look, what it will say, where it will be placed, and when it will be run. How much exposure your ad receives is largely depend on how much money you spend to the advertisement. When it comes to PR and especially working with the media who have less control, the media decided how your information is presented in the news and if it will be covered, how much time and space for the particular news. Sometimes news not even published or broadcast. Third one is duration of coverage. Organization can pay for an advertisement to be shown in the media as many times as your budget allows. But an advantage of PR is that you can send a story idea to the number of journalists who will then publish or broadcast the story in the different ways. This allows your target audience to see the information differently in many mediums, which may be more effective at reinforcing the message. So fourth point is credibility. Consumer do not believe everything an advertisement tells them. Why? Because whoever is paying for that ad is dedicating exactly what the ad says. Advertisement has less credibility than the coverage gained by the PR. When your target audience see an advertisement, they know it has been brought by the company try to selling the something to them, and the motive of advertisement is always sell the product of the company. Another thing, PR provides information and newsworthy story to a journalist so they can write an article or news about your product or company. An article written by a journalist will be presented in unbiased manner and contains the journalist third party endorsement, so the public must believe on the third party information. This means your target audience may view the article with more credibility than an advertisement. So the fifth point is target audience and hooked the media. Advertising and PR are similar in that they both want to convey a message to their client target audience. However, they convey the message differently and in different mediums. Company can pay for an advertisement to be placed directly in the media to hook the target audience or consumer, those are interested or not. PR professional can communicate your message to a target audience in variety of channels. The key to reaching a target audience is to place your message in the channel that your target audience is likely to use. PR must have an angle to hook the media to get them to the information for an article, to run a press release or cover the event. So the sixth difference is short and long term relationship. Advertising here is a shorter term goal in mind. Ad copy is geared towards specific buying reason, purchasing a new product or promoting special deals to boost the sales only. PR professionals are always looking at the big picture, long lasting relationships, and delivering meaningful information about their brand to build a sustainable and dedicated base of brand fans that includes consumer and other stakeholders. So 7 point is limited and unlimited contacts. If you are working in an ad agencies, your main contacts are your co-workers and the agency's client. If you buy and plan the ad space on behalf of your client like media, so your contacts are limited, but in PR you are interacting with the media and develop a relationship with them. PR contact is not limited to the in-house communication. PR is constant touch with the other contacts like publications, print house, broadcasting media, as well as internal, external public, shareholders, stock suppliers, finances, and many more. So the PR person is having unlimited contacts and PR person is maintaining a long lasting relationship with them. We can see that advertisement is brought have a control on brand message less trustfully, but on other side PR is earned by efforts more credible and build trust and less control on the message, but the motive of public relation and advertisements are same, to increase the sales, traffic, leads and branding, and the most important, to build the image of the company. So in this video we discuss about the difference between advertising and public relation. In my next video we will discuss on another topic related to public relations. If you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel Sampoorn Media Gyan. Thank you.